This is a Sony SLV-E1000VC video recorder, which had no picture, just static. But when I started fumbling with the SCART connector, it has picture with sound, sometimes just sound, and sometimes static with sound. So let's see if we get lucky and it's just the SCART connector of the recorder. Sony made a convenient metal plate on the bottom, which can be easily removed without opening up the whole device. Hopefully this ancient wisdom will be reintroduced, because it is a joy to repair these old machines with these features. So here are the pins of the SCART connector. Let's look at them under the microscope. So these rings on the solder joints show us that they are cracked. That will give intermittent faults when a machine heats up or cools down. This could very well be the cause of our problems. Let's put some fresh solder on them. So this would be a wonderful easy fix if it works well now. And there we go, yours truly playing guitar a few years ago together with those other beautiful talented people on stage in a shopping mall. Great, that was an easy fix. So if you have the same problem, have a look at the board and put some fresh solder on cracked joints. It might solve the problem. Thank you so much for watching. Please have a look at my other repair videos or be my total hero and join the channel. I hope you will join me in the next video, so please subscribe and you will be notified automatically. Bye then!